What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, it's good to have you all back and welcome to this new video about Matic or Polygon, but we should call it Matic because we're analyzing the token, the price of the token, and that is what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at what happened basically after last analysis. So ever since the 3rd of July, we've been pretty bullish with Matic, and that's also, I think it's one of the biggest gainers in the top 100. And if you're a follower of this channel, or if you have been for some time, you know that Matic is one of my favorite projects. It's up 13%, volume at 750 million, which is great. Matic and the Polygon network is used a lot for transacting, also because of its low fees, which is a great thing. We can quickly check it out if it's actually at the top of the top 100. Yeah, it's in the top 3. So yeah, I wanted to take a look at it, and when I actually tried to analyze it, I actually saw that my last analysis was like this, which I gotta be honest, it's never as precise as this row, right? Because this was almost spot on. Like we got that first move, we got that second support, we got some support at 52 cents, and afterwards we dropped into this kind of consolidation for a little bit. It was a little bit less volatile, but I want to prepare you. Usually I'm not right like that. It's more like a general view of the market and direction and what's going to happen, right? And I wasn't right completely too. I mean, I didn't expect that we had. I expected that we had more volatility here. But yeah, too much rambling. Let's get right into it with Matic. So the whole market is relatively bullish today and over the last few days as well. Bitcoin has touched 22,000 and it's trying to break it, which I'm not sure if it will, but still it's relatively bullish. And it's as long as it's above 21,000, I'd say it's relatively bullish, right, compared to the last weeks. For Matic, what we've just done is we've just broken above this minor key level of 57 cents. But if you take a look at the history of that level, you can see that it's actually a very strong level. And that once we have broken above that it actually serves as a strong support. So I think it's going to serve as that support and get us all the way up to 62 cents, which is also the top we reached the 23rd, 24th of June. Now the main question, of course, will be, can we break that 62 cents area? And that will be the question, right? I think we actually got that chance. But I think that 62 cents area is the equivalent to the 22,000 level for Bitcoin. So if we are able to break above 62 cents, so if we actually close above that, doesn't matter where we close. I mean, if we close at 63 cents, which we haven't done, as you can see here, we haven't closed above that whole level. If we close above it just a little bit, I think we can take that break retest and get up all the way to 66 cents. And if there's a lot of bullish momentum, even get up to 70 cents. And I really think that's realistic, but something we don't necessarily need to break 22,000 with Bitcoin to actually do something like this with Matic, but I would say that we need to stay above 21,500 with Bitcoin. As long as we're above that, I think we can have something like this. But it could also very well be that if Bitcoin now drops down towards 21,000 round, a little bit more, and it could also very well be that this would just be the top and that will start dropping down again. I mean, if this 57 cents area breaks, that will probably happen, because if 57 cents area, which is now our support, we've just broken above that, that's now our main support level. If that breaks, we'll probably start to trend down towards 50 cents and after that 45 cents again, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, because then you're kind of preparing for a consolidation, because I do think 45 cents would hold. But obviously when we're up high like this, you'd rather see something like this happen. So at this point of time, I don't really have a bias as to what's more likely. We're in pretty weird market circumstances, and both scenarios are realistic. So it really depends on what the market does, and therefore what Bitcoin does to kind of make it easier on you. And if we are able to break above that 62 cents area, because obviously Matic is a huge project, a lot of people use it, I think it's a great project. It can also make these move on itself. So yeah, 62 cents level is the most important level for now to break. 57 cents level is the most important level to hold. So that was basically my analysis on Matic for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.